All right, family, this is the battery operated Milwaukee weeder, and I'm sure you've seen them out there. I ran into this last season. In 2021, I purchased this, and my main reason for purchasing it was for the home. I got it for the house because I have, several weed eaters and gas operated everything, and I was trying to eliminate the gas from the house as much as I can, some battery operated stuff. And I picked this up since I already had some M18 batteries, so I picked this particular one up now. So it's a really good weed eater. I like the power of it. The M18 battery is more than sufficient for the job for the house. You can be able to weed all around your yard, and I even got the trimming attachment there, as you can see. I really like the weed eater. There is one thing, it's just as powerful as a gas operated, believe it or not, and does the job just like a gas operated. But there is one negative thing I had to say about it, and that's it is heavy. So overall, while you're doing your yard work with it, understand you might have to take a couple breaks, put it down, because it does wear down on the shoulders. It's much heavier than my gas operated weed eaters. That's both the 2-cycle and the 4-cycle weed eaters that I have. It's heavier than those. Those I can use all day. There's no way I could use this all day, and I don't have to carry around several batteries. So I'm only a opponent of battery operated equipment in professional use for certain pieces of equipment like hedge trimmers and things like that. I'm not a big fan of battery operated equipment for professional use, just because you have to have several batteries, and it kind of stops your job. Now, what I do like about the Milwaukee one is that this time it was nice coming out this season when I went out to do the yard, and I didn't have to worry about filling up with gas or oil or priming it, trying to get it started and all this good stuff. I didn't have to do anything. I just that battery was already in that charge, and I was ready to go. So I was able to just get started. So anyway, family, if you want to know more information about it, please don't hesitate to ask questions, and I'll be more than welcome to answer them for you. But I didn't want to drag this video on and on because I do have more work to do in this yard. But I did want to take a minute to take out the time to do the video. So again, thank you for taking your time. Check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.